What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Guava Juice 2. So today we're gonna do some experimenting with the microwave. So I heard, personally, that marshmallows and bar soap do some extraordinary stuff in the microwave. So today we're gonna try that out, and we're gonna see what happens. So let's try this marshmallow first. So we have here some normal, regular, puffy marshmallows, right? Gotta do that, very good. And then, what we wanna do now is just put it inside. Oh, what is that? It's egg rolls. Ooh, hold on, wait, let me eat some egg rolls real quick. Oh, yummy, those are some delicious egg rolls. Okay, anyways, let's take this off. I don't want this to explode. We don't even know if it's gonna explode or not. So here we go. Marshmallows. Let's close it up. Actually, you can't even see it on the camera. We actually do need this, so we've got to put this back up here. Ow! Oh my gosh, I am a very messy guy. Okay, I'm gonna put it up here for your entertainment. Okay, so really quickly, the reason why I have this black trash bag is because it's really hard to see the microwave without it being like super reflective. All right, so I guess here goes nothing, and starting. So far, it is doing nothing. Are we doing this right? Is it supposed to be doing something? Oh wait, is it expanding? Oh, okay, now it's making a loud noise. Okay, I think the marshmallows are expanding. What? No way. Okay, let's cut it and... Okay, I don't even know if it did anything. Honestly, it looks the exact same except kind of poofy and melted. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more dramatic. Does it taste the same though? Is it? It tastes the same. I mean, that was very disappointing. Okay, let's go up to our next test, the bar soap. Okay, next up we have this bar soap. So basically, we want to see what happens when we do this, right? So let's do this and then put it in the microwave, and then put the microwave down and get it done. All right, 1 minute on the clock, and we are microwaving. Anything happening? So far, nothing is happening to this bar soap. Oh my gosh, what is that? Whoa! Something is coming out of it. It's like a, what? What is going on? No. What? 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 What is that? I'm so confused. What is going on? Oh my gosh. What? Yo! The soap is being mutated by the microwave. What? Okay, this is like super scary. All right. Turn it off. I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh. Look what happened to the soap. Whoa, wait. The microwave smells good though. It smells like clean. Yeah, man, look, but anyways, look at this. What? I'm trying to touch it. It's like the weirdest. It kind of, honestly, it kind of like feels like Play-Doh. It's kind of weird. Wow. If you want some instant Play-Doh, all you gotta do is microwave some bar soap, and then yeah, this. Nope. Nope. Well, anyways, I guess that's it for this video. I really wanted to see what happens if I microwave those two. So, what do you want me to do in the channel? Let me know in the comments down below. Until then, don't microwave too many stuff. Actually, don't microwave stuff other than food, because microwaves are very dangerous, if you didn't know that.